What's up guys? Are you looking for a full tinted roof for your Polaris RZR Trail S? Well, SuperATV has you covered, and today we're gonna show you how to get one installed. So let's get right to it. The first thing we're gonna do before we get the roof installed is go ahead and just take it, and we're gonna lay it up on the machine. This roof does bend whenever you install it, so you just wanna kind of bend it down, make sure that the holes are lining up, make sure it looks right, which ours does. So we're good to go to remove our protective film from both sides. Now we're gonna wanna go ahead and get our foam and come over here to the machine. And we're just gonna apply our foam all the way around our cage. So I'm gonna start all the way over here. Gonna lay our foam kind of at an angle. Something like this. Just take it all the way around. So there's one piece. Now we'll grab our other piece and finish going around the cage. We get right here, we'll just go ahead and cut off our excess. I just take a razor knife, just kind of saw through it. It seems to be the easiest way to do it. Just kind of connect it right there for the rest of our foam. And we're just going to take our roof, kind of get it in position. You're going to see in your hardware kit you have 4 spacers, 4 nylock nuts, and then 4 Allen-headed bolts. On these Allen-headed bolts, you want to make sure that you put your sealing washer on them, just like that. And then we'll go ahead and grab one of our spacers too. We'll take our spacer, line it up with the hole in the factory cage. So we'll hold our spacer in place, take our bolt, line it up with the hole, and then come on the bottom side with our nylock nut, and go ahead and get our nut started. And then I'm gonna go back to that opposite rear side. So again, take your spacer, lay it up on the hole, get your hole lined up, push your hardware through. We'll take our nylock nut, just like that. Same thing back here, get our spacer lined up, take the hardware, slide it through. And once we have all of our hardware started, we're just gonna go through and fully tighten all of our hardware. So there you have it. Once you have all your hardware fully tightened, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's full tinted roof on this Polaris RZR Trail S. For more information on this roof or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call or check us out online. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.